thermal conductivity of material K equal to 0.19 joule meter raised to -1 s raised to -10 coulomb raised to -1. So the maximum internal temperature TH equal to 300 degrees Celsius, and maximum outside surface temperature